Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp communication with the power of automation? Let's dive straight in. First, head over to your Pabbly Connect dashboard and click on the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Now, let's set up the trigger. This is the event that will kick off your automated workflow. In the Choose App field, select the application you want to trigger the automation from. For example, if you want to send a WhatsApp message when a new lead is added to your CRM, choose your CRM application. Next, define the specific trigger event. In our CRM example, you'd select something like new lead added. Pabbly Connect will then provide you with a webhook URL. Copy this URL. Now, jump over to your Aisensy dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section, and look for the option to add a webhook. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Pabbly Connect into the designated field within Aisensy. In Aisensy, you can now define what happens when the webhook is triggered. For instance, you can set up a message template to be sent to the new lead. Customize your message with dynamic data from your trigger application using the provided variables. Back in Pabbly Connect, it's time to set up the action. In the Choose App field, search for and select Aisensy. Select the action you want to perform in Aisensy, such as send WhatsApp message. You'll then need to map the data from your trigger application to the corresponding fields in Aisensy, like mapping the lead's phone number to the recipient field. And that's it. Test your connection to ensure everything is working smoothly, and then activate your workflow now. Whenever your trigger event occurs, Pabbly Connect will automatically send the defined message through Aisensy.